Hello guys, welcome back to Yellow App. For today's video, we are going to show you how to create a custom match in Fortnite. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So creating a custom match here in Fortnite is actually pretty easy, but there are going to be some requirements that you need to perform and need to check. So first thing you need to do is you need to check your region. Now, for you to basically play with your friends or some acquaintances, you need to make sure that you're playing on the same region. So at the top right of your screen, go and click on your profile, click on settings. Under settings, go to game settings here at the top tab, and from here go to matchmaking region and make sure that you're using the same region. Now in this case, choose the most appropriate region here. For example, if your friends is from Asia, choose Asia here just to make sure. Now once you've done that, the next thing that we want to do is you need to make sure that you have the following options or you meet the following requirements. So first things first is you have to make sure that you have two-factor enabled on your account. Now in this case, you might need to open up Epic Games here, turn on two-factor authentication. Once you've turned that on, you should be able to start using or basically host a private match. Now also there's going to be a few things that you need to have also. So first thing is you must have your account, or your account must previously be entitled by the Fortnite competitive team to run a private match or private matches. Now the hosts and the players must be playing in the same region like what we did before, and the game are being streamed. So if your game is being streamed, make sure that you hide your password. Because in this case, when you actually scroll out a bit here, you should be able to see the custom key button. So whenever you click on it, it's going to ask you to enter a key or matchmaking key here. So the custom matchmaking key here allows you to match with people with the same key. So there's going to be some requirements here. So your key should be 4 to 16 long characters. You must avoid common words just to make sure that people that you don't know don't actually accidentally join to the match that you are going to play. Again, if you're going to stream your game, make sure that you hide your key here. But in this case, just enter the key that you want to do here. Just click on accept, and once you've done that, you can go ahead and start playing a game here. And when you start the game, it should actually automatically set you up, or basically have you match with the same players that has the same key. Again, the players that is going to join your game, or the players that you are playing with on a custom match should have the same key, which in this case the key that you'll be entering in the custom key. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yellow App. Thank you for watching.